We live in a microwave society. Whether it's same day delivery, whether it's the likes, the loves, the comments on social media, whether it's watching the influencers highlight reel, thinking we can duplicate the same thing overnight, we live in a microwave society. How about the dating apps and the instant matches? Microwave society. How about how the algorithm feeds you, whether it's positivity, finance, whatever you're looking at, gives you instant gratification, validation, and a microwave society. But we have ways to overcome it. I put a note on my door that I look at every day so I don't become too consumed, taken away by the algorithms and the technocrats that are building this cage around us. And it reads, I was here, I remember. I was here and I remember. I remember who I am. I remember my own goals. I remember my own failures. I remember my own triumphs. I remember taking shortcuts and how that worked for me. I remember working hard and seeing how that worked for me. I remember chasing validation once upon a time. I now remember being happy with who I am by myself if need be and just enjoying the moment. So if you found this useful, as I hope you did, do me that huge favor, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, or the notification bell just might hit you. And don't forget, you've been on project expertise. Well, I'm the project. I just gave you the expertise, and I hope you use it for your personal gain, your personal benefit, and your personal happiness. Until the next video, I'll see you on the next go around.